This how-to video is going to be on how to add a count or count button to a BSC module. So it's a manual button that appears on the screen that the operator would select to increase the count by 1. So from your main page right here, we're going to go to the core software. We're going to select configuration devices. So always select that over here on the left. So I have a test station right now, so you can do this as a new one, or you can just edit an existing one. Essentially, when I go to monitoring points, so what I have here is this is my alarms that exist already, but I want to add a count button. So with my root selected here, I'm going to select this add new. It's called a sampler, is what we call a count. So we'll just call this count. And the mode is going to always be this continuous sampler. It's going to always be a count. The trigger, so this is when do you want to send the count to the system. So periodic would give you an ability to put in a number of seconds. So like this is saying for every minute, then update the system as to how many counts we've had. And so what this means down here is this is saying don't send. If the count is 0, don't send it to the system. Select that. What this one is saying is that maybe it sends a 0 to the system, but it doesn't actually record it. So those only options are available when we're periodic. The other option is as occurs, which as a general rule for a manual button, it's okay to do that because they're not hitting it so fast that it's going to hurt the system and cause too many counts within a certain period of time. So be as occurs. You can obviously give it a color here. Basically, it's going to show up here. Just click on another one. Now we're going to see that our count is here. We're going to hit our save and exit button. And so what I'm going to show you is I did this on a PC BSC, so I can kind of show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go to my PC devices. I'm going to change over to that BSC, which is station 100. And as you can see, I have that count button here, so I can click it. Now I've added a count to the system. Click it again. So now this is going to give you my count on that module. And this is shown in a PC environment, but if you have hardware, it'll show up. Close that out. Close this out. Back to your home page, and that'll conclude this how-to on adding a button to a BSC. Look forward to talking to you again.